Magandang araw po sa ating lahat and of course para sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe po sa ating YouTube channel, ang Probinsyano sa Manila. Napaka-quick at napakabilis na reaksyon sa sabing ika nga ni Franco Mabanta ang nahuling di umano nangikil ng 350 million pesos down to 300 million pesos. A huge money, ang laki na pera na involved dito. Nahuli sila through an entrapment official and there's a legal entrapment by NBI dahil may sinabmit na affidavit ang kampo ni Congressman Martin Romualdez na kinikikilan di umano sila ng grupo na PGMN na founder na si Franco Mabanta. Para hindi ilabas, ika daw di umano ang involvement niya na may video daw ito silang hinahawakan na involved at si Martin Romualdez ang ulo at ang pasimuno sa flood control project scam. Well anyways, napaka-quick at napakabilis nating reaksyon dito. Set up, hindi set up. Sabihin ko, ACDC, attack and collect, defend and collect. It happened noon during sa time na nasa radio din ako. Black timers do. Mga partisan black timers, kung meron silang mga ebidensya, meron silang mga kunyaring ginagawa, meron silang pinanghahawakan ng mga recordings at mga videos noon, gagamitin nila to extort. And it is happening now at medyo in a wider scale. Nasa social media na. Whether we like it or not, whether we accept it or not, it is happening in the provinces, lalong-lalo na panahon papunta sa eleksyon. Maraming black timers na ginagamit ang ACDC, ang SISTE, right? Isang partisan groups na nagkukunwaring media. And this time, KBP should be ibabalik ulit ang kapisanan ng broadcaster ng Pilipinas. No media practitioners should not be allowed to go on air, even to social media, if they don't have the license at all. It happened before. It should be regulated na. Wala na kasing nagre-regulate, no? Kaya kailangan natin yon. Dapat ibalik ang KBP and there should be a regulating body para sa media practitioners at lalo na sa journalism para maiwasan natin ang attack and collect, defend and collect. No setup. 300 million and 75 million is a cash on hand. Hindi yan nangyayari sa media. At ako mismo, I've been an SMB4, though it's an FM, but then we do tackle some issues as well. Meron kaming ganon, pero wala kaming perang cash. Dapat all money transactions, financial transactions should be done through banks and checks. Yan ang official na ginagamit. Yan siya, ewan ko ba't gabi merong bigayan. And it was an official entrapment operation by National Bureau of Investigation. So, malaking paliwanag dito kasi may allegation and it was an affidavit signed by the former Speaker Romualdez. So, yun lang po, ACDC, attack and collect, defend and collect. And it's happening again sa media.